Hi class, it's Dr. T again. I'm going to show you a way to put videos in your wiki and overcome a problem we're having with the Blackboard system and embedding videos. Normally, it would be the best to embed videos, which means the video would show right up in your wiki. However, embedding videos does not work in this page because of a problem. It normally should, but it doesn't. So I'm going to show you a kind of a roundabout way how to show a video so that it still looks pretty good and it's more than just a simple word that's hyperlinked. We're going to start with looking at the video that I want to show. So here's a video called The Man Who Planted Trees. I'm going to start with getting a picture of this video. I could do a snip or screenshot of this and get it that way, or I could go to go to Google Images and put in The Man Who Planted Trees, and I would likely find a picture of that. So let me see if I can do that. So there's The Man Who Planted Trees. Let's see if I can get a picture. And this is any number of pictures from this movie that I want to show. So I'm just going to pick one of them. Remember, I showed you to click on it, make sure it gets big. And I'm going to save this image to my pictures. And I'm just going to go Man Trees so I remember what it is. I'm going to save it. Then I'll go back into the wiki and I want to put in that picture first. So here I'm going to click on Edit and I want to get that picture into my wiki page. So I'm going to go, remember, to Insert Image. Then I'm going to browse to my pictures and I'm going to find that picture that I saved. And I sort of like that size, so I'm going to keep the size, but remember I could go and change the size. Maybe I'll make it just one bit little. And I'm going to click there to make it balanced. And I could choose this alignment here. I could choose middle, bottom, text top. When you choose text top or bottom, it's going to like get inside the text, but I'm just going to put middle. So I'm going to put insert and say OK. And there's my picture. I had to move it to the middle. Now, that's the picture, and I want to hyperlink to the picture. But before we do that, I'm going to show you a trick. And the trick is, how can you get a video from YouTube to pop out, meaning when your learner clicks on it, all they're going to see is the video. They're not going to go to YouTube and see a whole bunch of other distracting videos. Well, there's a secret code for that. This is the code. And I'm going to put it in a note to you on the course, okay? But I'm going to show it to you now. So I'm going to take this code and I'm going to go back to the course. Whoops. Let me get back to the course. Here we are back in the course. Now I'm going to keep this. Remember I copied that? Let me just put it in here for now to save it. I'm going to go find the video, The Man Who Planted Trees. And I'm going to go to Share. I don't want to embed. I want the YouTube address. So let me go back one here. Here's my Man Who Planted Trees. I'm going to go to Share. And this address right
Google,
here,
what is glossophobia?
so I'm going to copy this address. Go back into the course. Let me put it down here so you can see what I'm going to do. Then that's not what I want. Let me go back for it. I'm going to copy this address. For some reason it didn't copy. Let me do that again. Copy the address. Go back to the course. I don't know why I'm not getting that address. Try it again. We'll get it yet. Some reason, there it is. Good. So you see I got the address from YouTube. Now where it ends with YouTube / then V _ I don't want that front part of YouTube. I'm going to get rid of that. And then I want to take this ending and put it on here right next to the equal sign. Do that again. Well, let me just back up then. That is the address for the video, and it will pop out. So let me check it. Let's hope that copies, because I'm having trouble here with the copy. Okay, so I'm going to see if that works. If I put in enter and it does, see it's turned blue, so I'm going to check on it and make sure. You always double check that your video is working. And yes, that is the right video. And it did indeed pop out. So I'm going to go back to the course again. Let me get there where I was. So I know that's a good address. Let me copy that one. Go back to the course. I'm in my wiki, right? And I know that's a good address, that one that's blue highlighted now. Now I want to hyperlink this picture to go to the video. So I'm going to click on the picture and I'm going to go to the hyperlink link, right? And then I'm going to put in that pop-out hyperlink that I just made. I'm going to put it in. And then I'm going to insert. Now here's the trick. Your learners do not know that that picture has a hyperlink in it. So you have to make sure you tell them that it has a hyperlink. So you would do something as simple as give them directions saying click on this picture to enjoy a video. So you could type it even under it or before it. So now you would save it, right? We're going to go submit. That's how you save it. So you've told your readers or your audience or your learners to click on the picture. So we're going to click on it, and I want you to notice how it pops out. It doesn't go into YouTube and show you a bunch of different other videos around it, but it shows you just the video. I'm going to let that open up. We hope. And sometimes this doesn't work because of I'm recording it. And there's the video. Now what I just did was I right-clicked and said open a new window. And I often will direct the learner to do that. So you could also do that. And there's the video playing. And you see there's nothing around it. That's what you want for your learners so they're not distracted. So that's how you create a video that is not embedded but is graphically more pleasing, that you can show the video in the wiki in an engaging way. Let me know if you have any questions. I think you're going to have some fun.